Part 2 on the flood. I just went out to the store and I actually feel a lot better now because there was some crazy damage I saw. I went to the Home Depot to buy this pump, and the Home Depot was flooded. There was water all over the inside of the store. There was one road that had like a river. It was several inches of raging water. One lane you couldn't even use it. It was a one lane situation only, and the water was like coming down from a hill and it had eroded like crazy. It was whipping down this road. There was holes in the road everywhere. There was like pieces of sidewalk just eroded and gone. There was yards flooded everywhere, and it's been hours since it rained and this water is still moving. Like this is crazy. This is not standard at all. So crazy, absolutely crazy. So let's get this pump opened up and in the pit, and this will get us through this storm at least, and then we'll figure out something better long term. Although I really don't think that this is going to be a long term problem. I think this is going to be a once a decade kind of deal. This storm was a lot worse than it was made out to be. I don't know. I didn't hear much about this storm, but this was wild. I think almost 3 inches of rain over the course of one night. So that's a lot of water. Okay, we've got a couple of documents. We have the pump can be snapped into the base. Okay. And then we have 4 horsepower submersible pool cover pump. It can automatically drain or remove water from the following: flooded areas, window wells, low spots in yards or other areas that collect water, clogged sink, water basins, boats, stock tanks, etc. Well, this is a flooded area, so I guess this is it. It is not engineered to be run continuously as a fountain or waterfall pump. Okay, well it's not going to be used in that case. Might run for a while though. Alright, this looks pretty simple. Okay. Let's get this going here. So, I was using this old geyser pump, which of course is much more reliable, but it's not automatic. I need something in here that's automatic, because I can't just sit here and plug it in and unplug it all day. That's kind of ludicrous. Okay, so they're talking about this this cover thing. I'm not sure that we really need this, but I guess it makes sense to use this because there is some sediment on the bottom there, and I'd rather the sediment not get into the pump. It looks like this has to go on this side where the outlet is first, and those tabs have to fit in there, and then it'll snap on the other side like that. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I guess that didn't hold on there at all. What gives? Well, this is not delivering a very good user experience so far. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, I didn't push it up far enough, I guess. There we go, now it's on. Okay. Only 2 amps, that's not bad. Motor is filled with oil, it is not leftover water. Oh yeah, I hear it. Huh. Interesting. Not to be used in a sump pump application. Well, this is kind of a sump pump application, but it's a temporary sump pump application. It's got a nice long cord. Don't need any extensions with this. At least not in my use case here anyways. Oh, now we're getting wind, which is not good because the trees fall over when it's like this because the ground is too soft. The only thing I'm not liking about this pump so far is the hose coming out the side. Is that even going to fit in here? No, just barely. It's a close fit. I'm concerned that this is going to end up kinking up or something. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to have it in this little holder thing because the pump's going to have to go on one side, and the just because the way the hose output is. I think that it should be able to operate without being on that thing. Should have got like a right angle hose thingamajig. I don't think I have any. At least if I do, I have no idea where it is. Super sketchy with the hose like that. It's gonna end up kinking, isn't it? Tell me I gotta go back and get an adapter or something. I'm gonna have to. Not good. I gotta find something else because that's gonna keep. It's just gonna kink up like that. Not good. I can't find anything here. I'm going to have to go back, which is so stupid. Let me see. This is full. I've got to get the water out of here. Let me see if I can make this work. At least just for a few minutes to drain the water out. And then I'll go back again. I guess I'll take you with me and I'll show you all the crazy flooding that's going on. See if I can get this to work without kinking up. It's totally kinked right now. There's no way that's going to work. It's got a full kink in it. No shot. Doesn't seem like it's operating. There it goes. Maybe it got enough pressure to unkink itself? I don't know. I don't think so. Nah, it's totally kinked. I think I've got it unkinked enough to operate for a few minutes at least. Let's go see if we're getting any flow outside. I have my doubts, but let's see. Oh, that's not too bad. It's not what it should be, but it's not too far off. Well, I have to go to Home Depot again at some point in the next couple of days, so if I can get by with it like this, I will for a couple of days, and then I'll get the correct thing. This was the piece I had in mind before that I could not find, but I just found it. I'm going to put that on and it should make a better fit for this hose. It doesn't quite fit in the thing right anymore, but it seems to be more content running this way. It primed instantly, which it wasn't doing before. Let's see what the flow is like. Might be a little bit more. Oh, yeah, I think it is more. Alright, good. That's working better now.